Today, we'll learn how to deploy a Laravel app on Namecheap shared hosting using GitHub. If the pace of the video is too quick for you, feel free to adjust the playback speed. Step 1. Go to your Laravel root file. Create a file named .htaccess. You can find the necessary code in the description below. Just copy and paste it into your new file. Step 2. Go to cPanel. Find Terminal and open in new window. Also open File Manager in new window. Find the directory for your app deployment. Now open Terminal. Before using the terminal, go to GitHub and copy the CDN link. Navigate to the file using the terminal. Now, use the terminal to clone the Laravel application using the CDN link. Make sure to include a dot at the end of the command to prevent the creation of a new folder. Once the cloning process is complete, check the directory to verify that all the files have been successfully downloaded. Now, copy the .env.example file to create your .env file. Next, open the single quotes .env file and update the database information with your specific credentials. Next, install Composer to handle your Laravel application's dependencies. This tool is essential for downloading and managing the libraries your app needs to run smoothly. Now generate an application key by running the appropriate command. This key is crucial for securing your application. Now, run the migration command to set up your database tables. This will create the necessary structure for your application. Additionally, run the optimization command to clear any cached configurations and improve your application's performance. Thank you for following along. We hope this guide helped you deploy your Laravel app successfully. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.